Welcome to my channel. This morning, this project, I'm gonna make a review on a Chinese LED light, 50 watt. I've got two of them here. One is a 220 volt AC, and the other one is a 12 volt DC. So it depends on what your application. I saw them in the Chinese shop. I bought two of them, one of each, and they look quite nice. This is the 220 volt version. There's a lot. There's 48 LEDs here. The 12 volt one has 50 LEDs. There's obviously the electronics inside. Um, it doesn't get so much hot, but it is kind of sealed. There's a rubber in here. I think I must put some silicone here maybe, but if you put it under your roof, it will relatively be secure. It's a very nice, I think for 175, it's about $10 American dollars for a light. If you compare them to these other ones, these small ones, and this is a Eurolux. This one only lasts also about 6 months, and then it stopped working anyway. And Eurolux is not a bad brand. As you see inside, there's the little black mark on the LED there. This is one that's blue. You can maybe swap it or bypass it. But just to say, this doesn't matter if you pay this one. I think it costs about 110 rand. I paid for it. It's about $8. But this one is a 10 watt. This one is a 50 watt. But so I put them on. I think if you modify, put a little heatsink in the back here just to get rid of the heat, it will last a long time. My son has one of the 220 12 volt versions, and they on permanently for the last 2 years, and they still okay. So it shows that the quality is not bad. There's just a Chinese what do you call it, a spelling mistake. I think they translated wrong. It's supposed to say brighter today, brighter tomorrow. Now it says birth today. I don't know what they mean by birth. I think it's just a spelling mistake. Anyway, IP65, as is a little rubber there around. We will check. The luminance is 4,500 luminance, 50 hertz, 50 watt. I'm just going to show you what I did with my 12 volt version. I'm just going to hook it off here. Yes, you can see this table lamps where you normally get this, where you get this thing that hook up here on here. I removed it and I make a bracket here, and then I put it here, and then I can put some more light on my workplace here. Look how nice it is. This is a 12 volt one here, and here's a little box that I power it from. This is a 12 volt camera, security camera power supply that I drive it from. So it works quite nice. It makes some nice shade, some white light here, and wherever I want to make a video. So this is another application for it. So this is a quite nice light. To say this is a 12 volt version. Okay, this is about it from my review on this Chinese light. I will install this one outside and see how long it lasts. Give you guys feedback regarding this. Well, that's just all from me today. Hope you enjoyed it, found it interesting. Till next time, cheers.